When it comes to introducing toddlers to the joy of riding, balance bikes, also known as glider bikes, are a fantastic choice. These bikes help kids develop coordination and balance in a fun and safe way, preparing them for a pedal bike in the future. In this complete guide, we'll explore the top 7 best glider bikes for toddlers. These bikes combine quality, design, and fun, ensuring your little one has a smooth ride. Let's dive in and find the perfect balance bike for your toddler. Number 1. Sereed Baby Balance Bike. The Sereed Baby Balance Bike is a wonderful option for toddlers who are just starting to learn the basics of balance and coordination. Designed for children aged 18 months to 4 years, this bike features an adjustable seat that ensures a comfortable fit as your child grows. The lightweight frame makes it easy for toddlers to handle, while the soft handlebar grips and ergonomic design provide additional comfort during use. One of the key highlights of the Sereed Balance Bike is its sturdy construction. Made from high-quality materials, this bike can withstand the wear and tear that comes with active toddlers. The tires are made from EVA foam, which offers great durability and a smooth ride, especially on hard surfaces like sidewalks and pavements. The bike's design also includes a non-slip footrest, encouraging toddlers to feel confident as they practice balancing and gliding. Safety is always a priority when it comes to toddler products, and the Sereed Baby Balance Bike does not disappoint. Overall, the Sereed Balance Bike is a reliable and fun choice for introducing your child to the world of cycling.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. Gamfeiny Colorful Lighting Baby Balance Bike. The Gamfeiny Colorful Lighting Baby Balance Bike is an exciting choice for toddlers who love bright colors and fun features. This bike is designed for children aged 18 months to 4 years, with an adjustable seat that grows with your child. The standout feature of this bike is its colorful LED lights that illuminate the wheels, adding a magical touch to every ride. The lights are powered by the motion of the wheels, ensuring endless fun during playtime. Built with a durable, lightweight frame, this bike is easy for toddlers to handle, even on their first ride. The foam-filled tires are designed to be puncture-proof, which means they'll last longer and provide a smooth, comfortable ride on most surfaces. Additionally, the bike features non-slip handlebars and footrests, making it a safe option for your child as they practice balance and coordination. The Gamfeiny bike is also known for its easy assembly and low-maintenance design. If you're looking for a balance bike that adds a fun visual element to your toddler's ride, the Gamfeiny Colorful Lighting Baby Balance Bike is a great pick. Number 3. Kriddo Toddler Balance Bike. Next is the Kriddo Toddler Balance Bike, a popular option for young children just starting their balancing journey. Designed for children from 18 months to 4 years old, this balance bike is built with a sturdy steel frame that can withstand the bumps and scrapes that come with toddler use. The lightweight design ensures that it's easy for toddlers to maneuver, while the soft grips on the handlebars offer a comfortable and secure hold. One of the standout features of the Kriddo bike is its adjustable seat, allowing parents to tailor the bike to their child's height. This ensures that toddlers can enjoy a comfortable ride and proper posture as they learn to balance. The bike's puncture-free EVA tires offer a smooth ride on both indoor and outdoor surfaces, ensuring your toddler has fun wherever they ride. In terms of safety, the Kriddo Toddler Balance Bike is equipped with a fully enclosed wheel to protect little hands and fingers from getting caught. The Kriddo Balance Bike is durable, easy to assemble, and a reliable option for toddlers learning balance and coordination. Number 4. Retrospec Cricket Baby Walker 4-Wheel Balance Bike. The Retrospec Cricket Baby Walker 4-Wheel Balance Bike is an excellent choice for parents who want a balance bike that also doubles as a walker. This unique design helps toddlers develop balance and coordination, while giving them the support they need during their early walking days. The 4 wheels provide added stability, allowing toddlers to feel confident as they explore their surroundings. The bike features an adjustable seat, making it suitable for children between 18 months and 3 years old. The solid rubber tires are durable and provide a smooth, quiet ride, even on hardwood floors or sidewalks. The frame is made from high-quality materials, ensuring that the bike is both lightweight and sturdy. It's designed to be easy for toddlers to maneuver and control, promoting the development of their motor skills. The Retrospec Cricket Baby Walker 4-wheel balance bike is a great choice for parents looking for a product that offers both balance training and early walking support. The combination of fun colors and durable construction ensures that toddlers will enjoy using it while developing important skills. This bike is also easy to assemble, making it a convenient option for busy families. Number 5. Bobike Baby Balance Bike. The Bobike Baby Balance Bike is a sleek and stylish balance bike that is perfect for toddlers starting to develop their balance and coordination. Designed for children aged 18 months to 3 years, this bike features an ergonomic design that ensures a comfortable and secure riding experience. The adjustable seat allows for customization, ensuring that the bike grows with your child. The bike's frame is made from high-quality materials that are both lightweight and durable, making it easy for toddlers to handle. The rubber tires provide a smooth and stable ride, ensuring that your child can glide along with ease. The Bobike bike also features soft rubber grips and a non-slip footrest, giving toddlers the confidence to ride safely. In terms of safety, the Bobike Baby Balance Bike is equipped with fully enclosed wheels to prevent any risk of injury. With its stylish design, comfort, and safety features, the Bobike Baby Balance Bike is an excellent option for parents looking for a quality balance bike. Number 6. Umatoll Colorful Lighting Baby Balance Bike. The Umatoll Colorful Lighting Baby Balance Bike is another fun and exciting option for toddlers. Designed for children aged 18 months to 4 years, this balance bike features a unique design with colorful LED lights on the wheels, making it stand out from other balance bikes. The lights are powered by motion, adding an extra layer of excitement to each ride. This bike is built with a strong and durable frame, ensuring that it can withstand the rigors of daily use. The lightweight design makes it easy for toddlers to handle and maneuver, while the EVA foam tires are puncture-resistant and provide a smooth ride. The adjustable seat ensures that the bike can grow with your child, providing a comfortable fit as they develop their balance and coordination. Safety is a key feature of the Umatoll bike, with fully enclosed wheels to protect your toddler's fingers and a stable, non-slip footrest for added confidence during rides. Whether your child is cruising around the backyard or the sidewalk, the Umatoll Colorful Lighting Baby Balance Bike is sure to provide hours of fun and development. Number 7. Wetify Colorful Lighting Baby Balance Bike. Last on our list is the Wetify Colorful Lighting Baby Balance Bike, a fun and engaging option for toddlers who are ready to start balancing. This bike features a striking design with colorful LED lights that light up the wheels as your child rides, making it both a fun and visually appealing option for young riders. Designed for children aged 18 months to 4 years, it's perfect for helping toddlers develop balance and coordination. The bike's frame is made from durable, lightweight materials that make it easy for toddlers to maneuver. The EVA foam tires are puncture-proof and offer a smooth ride, ensuring your child can glide confidently over various surfaces. The adjustable seat allows for a customizable fit, growing with your child as they progress in their balancing skills. In terms of safety, the Wetify Balance Bike has fully enclosed wheels to prevent accidents and a stable footrest to help toddlers feel secure as they practice balancing. It's easy to assemble and maintain, making it a convenient and fun option for parents looking to support their toddler's growth and development. Choosing the right glider bike for your toddler can be a game changer in their development. The bikes we've covered today offer a great mix of design, safety, and fun, helping your little one build balance and coordination while enjoying their ride. Whether you're looking for colorful lighting, adjustable features, or a sturdy, reliable frame, there's a bike here that's perfect for your toddler. Thanks for watching, and happy riding to your little adventurer.